Hello, today we will show you what is included in the McMurdo FastFind 220 package. Remove the sleeve and open the box. Inside you will find the McMurdo FastFind 220 PLB itself with its neoprene flotation pouch and lanyard. The user manual, a double-sided card with the quick start activation guide and self-test instructions, the warranty certificate and registration paperwork, the user manual, quick start activation guide and self-test instructions. Warranty certificate. And registration paperwork. Universal carry pouch. The vertical and horizontal webbing straps. McMurdo FastFind 220 PLB with a neoprene flotation pouch and the lanyard. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.